If you want to make your Gamma presentation more interactive and engaging, one of the easiest things you can do is add Spotify directly into your card. This is a great way to include a playlist, a podcast, or even a specific song right inside your presentation without sending people somewhere else. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Spotify in Gamma presentation in just a few simple steps. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Gamma presentation and go to the card where you want to place the Spotify embed. You need to click on an empty line within the card. This is important because Gamma only brings up the embed options when your cursor is placed in a blank area where you can insert new content. Once your cursor is active on the empty line, type /Spotify. So just enter Spotify on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Gamma will recognize the command and show you the Spotify embed block option. This is the quickest way to insert Spotify content into your presentation. Now press enter to confirm it. Gamma will create a Spotify embed block right inside the card. This block is designed specifically for pasting Spotify links, so you don't have to worry about manually formatting anything or using complicated code. It keeps the process simple and beginner-friendly. Next, you need to paste your copied Spotify link into the embed block that appears. This can be a link to a Spotify track, album, playlist, or podcast, depending on what you want to display in your Gamma presentation. Just copy the Spotify URL from Spotify first, then come back to Gamma and paste it into the block. Gamma will automatically generate the embedded preview for you. After that, take a quick look to make sure the embed is displaying properly. If everything looks good, your Spotify content is now added to the presentation and ready to be shared. This is especially useful if you want to make a pitch deck, class presentation, music showcase, or any creative project feel more dynamic and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added Spotify in Gamma presentation. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your content looks and feels. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.